quick video to show you how to book a live class with me. So just go to mytmsjourney.com/yoga, and this will take you to the yoga page. Scroll down a little and click on book a class or the book a class tab. You can also access this through the main menu here at the top. So when you get to the book a class tab, just take a look at this introductory bit here to make sure you know what you need to do if you're going to book a class, and then the live schedule comes up just below with the pink buttons and the schedule. So you've got the upcoming classes here, tomorrow's class, the times will show in your local time zone. So this is level 1 class with me at 6 p.m. my time, and Wednesday at 2 p.m. my time, level 2, and Thursday at 8 p.m. my time for another level 1 class. So all you need to do is click on the class that you're interested in, and then you need to choose whether you want to do a drop-in single class or you want to purchase a class pack, 5 class or 10 class. If you already have a class pack purchased with the previous booking system, I will email you a code to use for this new booking system. The code will be the same as the code that you previously had for your pack. So if you have that saved somewhere, that's still going to be the same one, but I'll email that to you. So let's say you just want to choose a single class, click on that, and then scroll down to either log in if you already have an account with this new system. If not, you can sign up. It's really simple. I already have an account, so I'm going to just log in with that account details and sign in. And then you either enter your card details here to purchase, or you can enter a promo code or gift code here, which would be where you would enter your coupon code that I would have sent to you already and apply there. And then that's it. You press purchase and reserve. Whether you've entered your card details or a coupon code, press purchase and reserve, and that will create your booking and your account if that's what you've done. Once you've done that, it will log you into this system. So this little coloured circle here at the top is where you access your profile information, your bookings, and any purchases that you've made. If you need to cancel anything, you can do that here. You go to bookings, and then cancel would be available here for you. I've already been testing with this account, so it doesn't show anything there for me. So that is how you book a class. I hope this is clear. Give me a shout if you need any instruction or help. It should be pretty straightforward. Anybody entering the promo code that they've been given, that goes here. Otherwise, just enter your card details, and that creates your account. All right. Just save your account details if you're prompted to in your browser. That will save you having to remember them for the next time. That's it. Hope this is